This iPhone has been with me for 2 years. The screen protector is cracked, the case is worn, and I've dropped it more times than I can remember. But through all of that, this phone has been there with me, carrying some of my favorite memories. It was my main phone for 2 years of traveling, and while I always had my big R5 camera with me, the truth is I reached for this iPhone more than anything else. People always say the best camera is the one you have with you, and for me, that was this phone. It was always in my pocket, always ready to capture the moment. I think back to Japan, where I set the phone above me to film myself eating different foods. It was just a simple wide-angle clip, nothing professional, and a little silly if you ask me, but it stuck with me. Because sometimes the memories we end up loving the most are the ones that are the least planned. Along the way, I tried out different cases, but I always came back to the Banks Aramid fiber case. It was thin, it was durable, and it felt like the perfect match for this phone for me. Even now, the case is still holding up, though a piece near the charging port eventually cracked and fell off. But the phone kept going, and for the most part, so did the protector. The funny thing is, the last time I broke this screen protector was in front of some new friends. I dropped the phone, went to catch it, and instead ended up slamming it even harder into the ground. Everyone laughed, and I laughed too, because thankfully it was just the screen protector that cracked. The iPhone screen underneath was perfectly fine. Looking back, that's kind of what this phone represents. Not just technology, but the idea that life is messy, unpredictable, and sometimes clumsy. And yet, through all the drops and scratches, it still captures the moments that mattered most to me. So today, I gave it a small makeover. I've already upgraded to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, so this isn't my main phone anymore. But swapping out this cracked screen protector for a new one feels right. It feels like a way of respecting the years I've spent with it. I don't know what the future is for this iPhone 15 Pro Max. Maybe it'll end up as a backup phone, or maybe it will sit in a drawer collecting dust. But I do know that for 2 years, it came with me everywhere. It carried me through life, through travel, through countless little memories I'll never forget. And for that reason, this will always be more than just a phone.